Lego shit, bitch. If I'm off of a doobie, I'm probably with Tuki. I'm loving this bitch cause she got all this booty. She think I'm a couple, she only a groupie. She ain't got a hustle, she ain't nothing to me. Can't cuff her, she say she in love with my jewelry. Material bitches just do something to me. I need me a chick who be humble, not bougie. Still want her and got my own rockin' that Gucci. To the top and the job, know the rain gon' come. When the time come, boy, better spray your gun. Make 'em go out better tight, know the day gon' come. Stack it up like a Lego, boy. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Zaestylez, and we back for another video, man. I just want to first thank y'all for liking, commenting, subscribing on all the other videos. They doing well, and I really appreciate it. Appreciate all of it. You know, I just gotta get that out the way at the beginning of every video, just so y'all don't feel like I'm taking y'all for granted. I really appreciate y'all. Y'all real. Just stay rocking with your boy. You feel me? So, yeah, thanks. So for today's video, though, this is what y'all wanted. Y'all wanted to see these shoes. Y'all click that yes button on the other shoes. So we got these colorful joints. We got this pair. I got them for y'all. I wanted them, you know, but y'all wanted them too, so I got them for y'all, and we finna hop into them. We finna see what they look like. First impressions right on the video, so we just gonna hop right into it. Here they are. You know, again, I wish they had a box for these joints, but it's cool. It don't matter. Oh, I'm over my cold, by the way. I'm pretty sure y'all can tell by my energy. Like, that video that I did, I feel like it wasn't enough energy in that joint, but it's cool because I'm back over this joint and we ready to just keep it popping. But here they are, y'all. I ain't gonna hold y'all, bro. I don't know what the shipping company did, bro, but they was on some drugs or something, cause it got another man's name on this joint. Like it got my name along with his name too. So when I went to get them from the little desk or whatnot, they was confused. They like, Timothy, Randy. I'm like, nope, that's not me. I'm Isaiah. You feel me? So yeah, but I had the routing number, whatnot. I had the email that they sent me. I got my joints. You feel me? So yeah, brought my skizzers. You know what I'm saying? About to slice these joints open. I got these skizzers. I ain't even use them. What's wrong with me? That's like searching up Google on Google. Got them out, ain't nothing in there. I already know I did this last time. So yeah, now I'm about to use these joints now. Bop. We about to do it together, y'all. Ooh, wait a minute.
Hold on, wait, first of all.
Bro, these joints is beautiful. Oh my god. So yeah, we got the red, we got the green. That's my favorite color, by the way. We got this nice little beautiful blue back here. We got yellows on this joint. Oh, we even got some orange over here. I mess with, oh my god, I like them. I like them a lot. I got one little critique. I don't think I like the dark black with them. I don't think I like it because I ain't gonna say throw it off because it's a nice shoe. It look good. I just don't know if I like the just dark black on there, but it's boo. We gonna keep rocking. We still got the yeah, these joints, I like these a lot better than the black and white pair. I'm not gonna hold you. Stitching good. Y'all know that's what I'm looking for. Trying to make sure everything's straight. Glue job good. They got the EAF on the back of that joint like last time. It's in blue this time. It's on the front again. I mess with these a lot. Thick, bulky, so toe cap look nice, you know. I just want y'all to see just the beauty that I'm looking at right now. And I forgot to tell y'all the name of these joints. My fault. But these joints, the Apostrophe, Gundown, Gemstones. These are some gems, if you ask me. Shoot, out of from Hype on Hype again, just like last time. You know, it's the same procedure. Everything gonna be in the description. You know what I'm saying? Same procedure, same thing. Oh shoot, I ain't even see this. I like this little yellow, like just this like yellow stripe right in here. I hope y'all can see that. I can't really tell. But yeah, I like that right there. I think it's, I don't know, I don't know, quality of life thing maybe. Yeah, I mess with, I'm a big old fan. I can't wait to do something with these. This outfit gonna be hard, bro.
like hard. Like I'm the GOAT. I'm beautiful. You know what I'm saying? These joints gonna be hard. Oh, let me grab this other one. You know what I'm saying? Check out this this here. Oh wait. Oh shoot. Was this? I got a card. I hope this wasn't in the last one, cause I ain't see it. What the heck is this? I'm not gonna hold y'all. I have no idea what this is. Like, not even the slightest clue. Got some stuff on the back. I can't even read. I don't speak this language. I don't want to be racist and call it the wrong one, so I don't speak it though. I guess I got new souvenir joints. I don't know. I'm glad I looked in that mug. Oh, sure, I got a thank you card. They all nice and stuff. Shoot, they ain't say thank you last time. This smell good as heck. Smell good as heck. I promise y'all this bro. Y'all looked with me last time. This was not in there. Like, look. That's probably gonna be my thumbnail. Thank you, loving it already. Don't forget to tag us on Instagram, Hype on Hype, and we'll repost. They're gonna repost it. They're gonna repost that joint. Yeah. You know what? I bet when you wear this, people around you gonna be like, damn, yo. You deserve to be the best. So stay hype on. I can't even read, bro. So stay hype on top of the hype. Can't even hype on hype. Hi there, it's Timothy Randy. Oh! What the? That's Timothy. So when I went to get them from the little desk or whatnot, they was confused. They're like, Timothy Randy? I'm like, no. What was his name on my pack? Is Timothy Randy, CEO and owner of Hype on Hype. I hope that this positive energy that you are feeling right now stays within you. Remember to share the love with your friends and family. I would like to express my gratitude by saying massive thanks for the purchase. Lastly, I am saying another thank you on behalf of the people in need, because by purchasing, you're already donating 10% of all the profits this business made to charity, specifically on people who are mentally challenged here in Indonesia. Bro, this joint stationed in Indonesia? I wasn't even knowing, bro. That's hard. Best Timothy Randy. Oh, that's hard. My boy done gave me his little signature. So yeah, look at this. Bro, this wasn't in the thing last time. So I guess they was just feeling generous and nice because I ordered twice.
Ooh, bars. But
I don't know. But this hard. Yeah, I didn't know they were stationed in Indonesia. That's dope. And now I feel like a good Samaritan, you feel me? Because I'm donating to charity. Yeah, nah, but yeah, that's hard. Donating to charity, y'all. I don't know why I'm just so... I just want to pop these so bad. That's just...
Okay.
Charity, charity, you know what I'm saying? That's dope. That's real dope. Now I know who Timothy Randy is. That's crazy. Look, my boy done put his name on my package and got me like dang near didn't be able to get my shoe. But it's cool. It's cool. He said he was just telling me thank you. You know what I'm saying? These hard though. Got that little orange. You know what I'm saying? I like that orange over there. I can't wait to see what I'm gonna throw together with these joints. Put together well, you know, well, glue job, real good. The red, green, black, that's like, and that little small yellow little stripe that I was talking about earlier, that's suede, and I think it's beautiful. I like it.
Stop it. Get some help.
I like it a whole lot. So yeah, we go shoot, we just gonna try these joints on so we can see how they fit. We already know how they fit, y'all, because if y'all remember last video, I said they fit small, so get a bigger size. But guess who didn't take his own advice? I didn't take my own advice, y'all. I ordered these joints in another 9.5, and I should have paid attention, but I'm just so used to it, like, oh yeah, I need a 9.5, you feel me? And that's what I did, but it's cool. I know how they fit, but we still gonna get a view of them on foot for y'all, so let's get to that. there y'all had it, you know. On foot, these joints hard. I like these a lot better than the black and white pair. Don't get me wrong, the black and white pair are hard too, but I like these a whole lot better simply because it's just more colors, and I can step out and be vibrant in these joints. And like I know ain't nobody else gonna have these mugs like in my my vicinity that's close to me. Ain't nobody gonna have these joints. So yeah, I hope y'all like them because I do. I like them a lot. I think I forgot to tell y'all, these joints was only $70, just like the other pair. So you know, they ain't not too expensive. It's pretty cheap, and you can look real stylish in these joints too. So yeah, that's a plus. I'm here for these. I can't wait. I can't. But I don't think I have anything else to say about them. I think that'll be the end of this video. So with that being said, I want to thank y'all for tuning in. As always, y'all the goats besides me, but that's okay. Y'all the goats, we the goats together. I appreciate y'all. Y'all real. Thank y'all for supporting, liking, comment, subscribing. Please continue to comment. Let me know how y'all feel about the videos, what y'all want to see, if y'all like what y'all seeing. If y'all don't like what y'all seeing, just be respectful. Yeah, just let me know. I read those, I promise. And I'm gonna try to get y'all whatever y'all need. So yeah, I'm hoping y'all liking my creativity on the channel. I'm hoping y'all liking everything that I'm doing. I'm trying my best to just be entertaining for y'all, trying to be as energetic as I am, like just on a daily. Like that's just normal. I'm just trying to be energetic and fun for y'all to watch. I don't want y'all to come and just be bored. With that being said, please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on them post notifications. Just let everybody know. Let y'all friends know. Let y'all's friends know. Y'all friends' moms, y'all friends' uncles. Let the Dolphins know. Let the Falcons know. Let everybody. Just let everybody know. Zaestylez doing his thing. Zaestylez dropping bangers, and Zaestylez coming up. Thank y'all so much. I appreciate it. I love y'all, and we out. Peace.
I'm probably with Tuki. I'm loving this bitch cause she got all this booty. She think I'm a couple, she only a groupie. She ain't got a hustle, she ain't nothing to me. Can't cuff her, she say she in love with my jewelry. Material bitches just do something to me. I need me a chick who be humble, not bougie. Still want her and got my own rockin' that Gucci. To the top and the